Hello, hello, hello. So, I'm here to make the very first tutorial of this mini-series, Chapter 0. I'm actually recording this video after having already recorded the entire mini-series because I implemented a small new feature so that you won't have to go through all the boilerplate of building absolutely everything for the tutorials. Ik vind het to make your life a little easier. And so you don't have to do all that. You can come here to help once you have the plugin activated here in the plugins. So once you have it activated, you can then go to help TurboStruct documentation. And when you come over here to the step-by-step blueprint workflow section, besides having all the videos and chapter 0 as well, you will find this here, which is generate save workflow project. You click and it's going to ask you for a folder here. I recommend that you create a new one. In my case, I have this one right here. No? So I'm going to select it and then click OK. We'll have to wait a few seconds. It's going to tell us if yes, if everything went well, it will say project assembly generated successful. We click OK and we'll be here. It's going to open a level for us. Once we're in this level, we'll already have everything in our folder, which is the one I just created. This one right here, project, which contains everything from the tutorial. So as you're going to see, we're going to create a safe manager or data structures, a blueprint interface. Will implement everything for the player to handle the load and interaction. There will be a collision channel automatically created within the project. Therefore, I would strongly recommend that you create all of this in a brand new project, primarily for testing purposes, as it is essentially a template meant for testing. In the near future, I plan to add even more templates. Over there, the tests are currently running for the different versions, specifically for the ports to the subsequent versions. Please don't pay any attention to that. But anyway, here you have this right here, and you'll see that it will automatically generate the entire project for you, including all the actors, the complete actor hierarchy. It's a little bit messy, but anyway, given how the system I've put together here works, it's a bit complicated to organize this right now. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. You can ultimately, if you want, you can arrange it yourselves. In fact, it's a tip on it's right there. But anyway, that's pretty much it. When you click save, you'll already have the complete project for the upcoming tutorials. And then you can watch them and try everything out right here. As you're about to see, Ganata, when you hit play here on the side, you'll find a widget down below. As I always tell you in my tutorials, my PC isn't performing well, but that's mainly because I'm running OBS and all that, and my PC isn't really that great to begin with, but oh well. So it started, then I decided, then it comes back, then the FPS die again, but hey, that's just how it goes. We're going to need to turn on this light. Alright, we'll keep that. I run it, I press 4 again, and here we have everything back to how it was. But anyway, that's it. Down here on the side, you'll find the interface that displays all the actions that can be performed, and above all, it's a small example project from the videos you'll watch later that explain all the logic of how this operates. I would still recommend, if you truly want to learn it well, to go through the full tutorial, but the template can be very useful for quickly creating things like, for example, the save factor or the interface and all that. Perhaps at some point in the future, I'll be adding another template that is simply this, the essential basic part for creating it and quickly integrating it into a project. And well, that's pretty much it. Nothing more to say.
See you around.